amazing foodie fam. Welcome back and I hope you're doing well. Today I share with you how I cook my Nigerian pepper chicken. This pepper chicken recipe is easy to cook and it is a favorite at home because everybody loves the taste and crunchiness. I'll start by adding 1.5 tablespoon of dry thyme into my already seasoned water mixture. I'll mix everything very well and I'll proceed to add my already washed chicken. I'll add chicken and then I'll cover the pot and cook for 15 minutes on high heat. After 15 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like, and I'll proceed with the second step. The second step is to remove the chicken from the chicken broth. The chicken broth or chicken stock, as many people call it, is the liquid you see in the pot. That liquid is used for other recipes and dishes, and I'll be using it much later as well. But I like to remove the chicken from the chicken broth to avoid hot oil splashes when I proceed into the next step. The next step for this is to pour some cooking oil into my frying pan. After I add the cooking oil in the frying pan, I'll heat it up until the oil is very hot and then I'll proceed to arrange my already cooked chicken in the hot oil. Fried chicken for pepper chicken is something that I always love to do because it gives the chicken a lovely taste. After frying for 5 minutes, I'll turn the chicken to the other side and then I'll fry the other side for half the time, 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes maximum. After this, as soon as the chicken is looking lovely and a lovely shade of golden brown, I'll proceed to remove the chicken from the hot oil. After I remove the chicken from the hot oil, the next step is something that you should watch. And while I'm on this recipe, I like to say this: don't forget to like this video. And if you're enjoying so far, take a look at my already fried delicious chicken. You can subscribe to this channel for many more recipes. And of course, click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new videos. I just took out some of the excess oil, and the next thing I will do is to pour my already sliced onions into the hot frying pan with hot oil. I'll proceed to mix well and I'll fry the onions for 1 minute on medium heat. After 1 minute, it's time for the other ingredients. I'll add my red bell peppers. I'll also be using yellow bell peppers and green bell peppers. This recipe is not spicy at all, but it comes out delicious and nice. Now I'll proceed to add half tablespoon of dry thyme. I'll also add half tablespoon of curry powder and half tablespoon of salt. Then this right here is my seasoning cube, but I will not be using a whole seasoning cube because that is too much. I'll cut the seasoning cube into half and I'll use just half. Next, I'll proceed to mix everything very well. But these are not the only ingredients that I'll be using for this pepper chicken. But first, I'll mix very well to ensure that all the ingredients are properly combined. And while mixing, I'm actually cooking on low heat. Now I'll add my blended tomatoes, half cup of blended tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of chili or crushed Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll mix everything up very well and allow to cook nicely on medium heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is what I have. I'll mix again just to ensure that my lovely pepper sauce is not stuck to the bottom of the fry pan. And now it's time for the last step. The last step here is to add the already fried chicken to the pepper sauce. This is a must and it's delicious, it's nice, it's lovely. I'll proceed to mix everything very well at this point, and I would not be adding any form of liquid to this pepper chicken. Yes, this is how to make delicious pepper chicken. This is how I make my delicious pepper chicken, and it comes out tasting very nice, very lovely. Everybody wants a taste of it, and those who taste it always want more. Now I'll take my time to mix everything very well to ensure that my fried chicken is properly coated with a freshly made pepper sauce, and I'm cooking on low heat. At this point now, I'm cooking on low heat. After mixing well, I will allow this to cook on low heat for about 4 minutes, and my peppered chicken is ready to be enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you love this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.